Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is explicit wait. Explicit wait tells Selenium to wait until a specific condition is met before continuing. Unlike implicit wait, it is not global, it is applied only to specific elements. It applies for a given condition, not just presence. Common conditions include element is visible, element is clickable, text is present, element exists in DOM. Explicit wait gives control and precision, which is why it is preferred in real projects. Here in the sample script, I am trying to interact with an element immediately. The element is not ready yet, so it may fail when the application is loading slowly. So I am applying an explicit wait for visibility. Once the condition is satisfied, Selenium proceeds. This makes test stable and reliable. Now I will run the sample script and see it will wait for that particular element. If you see application is loading, it will wait for that element to load, then it is send keys to that input box. Explicit waits for readiness, not just presence. Explicit wait gives control and stability. Most flaky tests are fixed using explicit waits. Explicit wait is precise and intentional. Avoid mixing high implicit wait with explicit wait. So here if you see, if I enter, application will be closed. So here if you see, I have set the time for 10 seconds. That is only related to this element. If I say enter any password, then again for that, if I want to wait for 10 seconds, then again I need to use the wait until that element is visible.